The question here is asking us to convert the measurement 20 feet squared, or 20 squared feet, to square inches. Well, that's a little tricky. You can see all our answers are at least already in square inches, so we just need to figure out how many square inches 20 square feet is. Well, let me write this out up top here. 20 feet squared basically means feet times feet. Okay, so that's what we start with. Now, every conversion you make is actually just a multiplication. So I'm going to multiply by the conversion. I'm putting it over a fraction. You can always multiply by a fraction as long as the fraction is 1. So top and bottom must be equal. And then your number doesn't really change at all. The units are changing though. So since I'm getting rid of feet, I'm going to put one of the feet on the bottom here. And then since I want to get to inches eventually, I'm going to put inches up top here. And now I want to put the conversion rate. Since I want to make sure this stays equal, I'm going to put the same number of inches on top that is equal to 1 foot. So 12 inches, 1 foot. I'm going to do the same thing again, 12 inches on top, 1 foot on the bottom, since I actually have 2 sets of feet I need to account for here. I'm going to go ahead and cross out, since when I multiply, feet divided by feet crosses out. And then the ones on the bottom don't really do anything because you know when you divide by 1 you end up with the same number. So this calculation really simplifies down to 20 times 12 times 12, which is not too bad. I know from my multiplication tables that 12 times 12 is 144. So I'm actually just going to multiply 144 times 20. That's going to give us our answer. I'll do it really quick for you here. 0 times 4 gives us 0. 0 times 4 again, 0. 0 times 1, also 0. I start my next row with a 0. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 again is 8. 2 times 1 is just 2. And so when I add that up, I just get 2880, which is that first answer on the left.